Hello, YouTube. I'm not up here. Anyway, okay, this is my 28-inch Asian bangs unit that I just trying to put the finishing color on it. I've been working on this unit for about 2 days. Everything is hand sewn. This is one of the units that I'll be selling. Also with, I have a 20-inch frontal that I'll be selling also. The color that I'm using tonight is Da Vinci. They ran out of satin, and so at my beauty supply place where I go, they suggested Da Vinci. I like it. I really like it. What I might do, because it doesn't have that moisture that I was looking for, I might put a clear cellophane on this so it'll have like a real bright, shiny black when it hits the sun or hits the light. But yeah, I'm almost finished with my first coat. Hold on 1 second. Yes, dolls. I needed another pair of gloves because I don't want to go to my family's Thanksgiving on Saturday. We're having it on Saturday because most of us are going to be working tomorrow, and we wanted us all to be together. So I have the double glove because I don't want all that paint on my hands. Okay, the only thing with Da Vinci, you see the color, it takes a long time, I guess, to oxidize and turn that black color that most permanent colors will turn, but I have to stir it and make sure that it's really, really well mixed. But you see the color. The color is fantastic. So now what I'm gonna do is just finish the rest, and I'm gonna let my color sit on all night and then do the cellophane tomorrow and do the cellophane tomorrow and then do the silicone mix on it. That's like a conditioner that I use on all my units that I sell, and even mine too, because a lot of times they tell you, oh, the hair is good, the hair is good. We have 10A hair. I have 10A hair on my head, and I still had to put the silicone mix on it to make it, you know, the movement and to get the cuticles more in line. Because if I don't, the cuticles, they say all the time with 10A hair, the cuticles are always aligned. That's not true. So, ooh, excuse me, guys. Ooh. So, I like to give my clients and buyers what they, you know, what you're paying for pretty much, and to keep good hair for at least a year. So when my units come to you, best believe I do a lot of treatment to them. They're not just like you buy them out of the stores or the overseas, and then you have to treat them yourself, because you're already spending a lot of money on those wigs already. So I like to treat my units and make sure that you don't have to do pretty much but put it on your head. Because usually sometimes I style my units to my specification, but then you can change it up if you like. This hair is one of the vendors that I get hair from, Bow Hair, and it's pretty decent hair. But like I said, you're gonna have to put your little twist on it to make it act right and look really nice, you know what I mean? A lot of Instagram models and stuff like that, and people that are entertainers, they can pay for hair like that. The average little mama, we gotta have our coins pretty much for different things, you know, rent, mortgage, house note, car note. So I'm almost finished with applying the first, because I usually, when I color hair, I usually do my first application, leave it on for about 20 minutes and do a second application and then rinse it out. But because I want this to be a rich, deep black, I'm going to leave this on. And as you can see, my bangs, my bangs look crazy, don't they? But I'm gonna feather those out with my razor. But they look crazy. That's because I got this paint on here, y'all. Anyway, so just gonna go through here and make sure that I touched the top a lot and get in there. See, I still have a little bit more to do. So guys, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I have 2 units. Oh, really? I have a 10-inch deep wavy coming also with the frontal. That'll be coming too. So hopefully by the end of November, I'll have the information where you can obtain these wigs. And I'm gonna do a video so you guys can see the wigs up person before you purchase. So I'll be doing that too. So get ready, be happy. I'm gonna get that out to you guys, okay? So let me finish this last part. I'm gonna take a little break and then I'm gonna put the second layer on and hopefully I can get some sleep. I've been doing hair like for the last 4 days because of the holidays. Everybody wanna look nice for the holidays. I know that's right. So watch, subscribe, comment. If it's some things that I'm not doing right, you guys want to give me some suggestions, give me some suggestions. I'm open to criticism. I don't have a problem with it. Now, oh, now I see this color, it gets real hardened. So you're gonna have to really be careful if you're gonna use Da Vinci. It colors it really nice. I don't have no problems with that, girls. So again, watch, subscribe, comment, come to my wig sale that will be going on very, very soon. These are these 3 were the last that I hand sewed. I hand sewed all of them. There's no glue anywhere. On the frontals, they have been plucked by myself. And yeah, you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And remember to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know that I haven't made videos in a long time. That's because I work too. But I try to make out videos when I do sell hair and let people know I do sell bundles, and I let them know when I do have units made. So, you guys come back and see me real soon.